wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow.
Lumapuyot ka. Tulak mo sa atin. Ay, tanasan mo mag-asawa ko. Tanan ka. Konektado ka. Saan mo kami dinala?
You try to get some sleep if you give up the fight. Just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend.
Happy New Year!
There's a new day and it will restore us.
Ay, sige yan? Kaya mo? Nabunod na 10 yung pinakabagong member ng family natin. Ay! The same yan? Pati hindi sa loob! Sige, ito na. Kasi nasa loob.
Nakakatakot ko lang kasi mag-isa.
Sabi niya. Yung nabunod ko lagi.
Hindi na pwede na.
Ay! Magkasama pala. Thank you. Hindi na pwede yan.
Nagpatensyo ka ba, ha? Oo, sa'yo.
Pati sila nagkalit si baby.
May isang kasamang gata.
Nabunod si baby, ano? Kung pagod na ako sa'yo. Pag napagod na ako. Ako pinupuksan. Wow! Wow! This, yes! Yung aking sumbungan ng bayan.
Alam niya na siya.
Ang aking ano.
ko damit na rin.
Ay, wow! Pinakamaganda! Pinakamaganda! Wow! Flower! Pinakamayaman! Sa pinaka-conservative sa atin. Ano yan? Pero kay Mamsi. Kalat sa bar. Kalat. Sinapatapos. Kuya Don.
Parang pulis ah. Talagang pulis ah. Pulis. Wag na.
Lagi tayo naghihiraman.
Ayan, pakita mo sa amin.
Dagdag mo pa ito.
Ano sa atin yan?
Wow! May green. Okay na. Sige na.
Papakita yan. Pakita mo. Pakita mo. Pakita mo. Saan ba kaya? Ano yan?
Happy New Year!
This is not the end.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need.
Okay. Ha?
Deep in the